Hi everyone, welcome to my video today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 2 keto casserole dishes, and I love casseroles, so I make them all the time, and I just love making these keto casseroles to keep something healthy, and they're easy, and I love like one dish meals are easier for cleanup. And casseroles make such like a big serving. You can serve a crowd, or you can use it for meal prepping, for leftovers. So casseroles are like my favorite, you guys. So I'm gonna make 2 for you to share with you today, and they're both delicious. The first one I'm gonna make is going to be a chicken fajita casserole. That's my oven, it's preheated now, so it's ready to go. So it's gonna be a chicken fajita casserole. I have my poached chicken. I just have a packet of fajita seasoning. You can definitely like make your own with all the fajita seasons. Sour cream, cream cheese, some bell peppers, and some cheddar cheese. So this is so good, you guys, and keto friendly. So if you want to have some carbs with your meal, you can add a side of rice or cauliflower rice if you want to keep it low carb. But so good. The second recipe I'm going to make and share with you guys is going to be a ground beef recipe. But first I'm going to get this chicken fajita one all made up. So I have my diced bell peppers. I used a green and an orange, and I am just going to saute these with some olive oil on the stove until they get nice and soft, and then they'll be ready to go into the casserole. I have half brick of cream cheese, and I have a cup of sour cream. So I'm going to mix that in with my fajita seasoning mix. And my cream cheese is softened a little bit so that it mixes well. But I'm just going to add this packet in and mix the sauce all the way together. This sauce is really good with all of this seasoning. So I have my poached chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken or any kind of cooked chicken you'd like, but I love to just poach a bunch of chicken, have it ready for casseroles. It is perfect. So your cooked chicken on the bottom, and then I'm going to add in my sauteed bell peppers, and then I'm going to add in the sauce, and I'm going to smooth it out over the whole casserole, and then I'm going to add on a layer of cheddar cheese because casseroles have to have cheese on them, right? So I'm going to add the layer of cheese on, and then this is going to cook in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes until all of these flavors combine and it is heated all the way through. So it's all done. I added some avocado on top. You can add a little bit more sour cream on top if you'd like, but this is so delicious. The next one I'm going to make is my ground turkey, or you can use ground beef, but I'm going to crumble up and cook all of that ground beef, and I am going to now add in, I have half a brick of cream cheese, and so I'm going to add that in. I'm also going to add in half a cup of heavy whipping cream and half a cup of beef broth, and then I'm going to let this all simmer until the cream cheese is melted. And then I'm going to add in, I have my green beans that I have them steaming in the microwave in their steamer bag, and then I'm going to cut them up into smaller pieces. but you can use canned green beans in this if you'd like. If you're gonna use canned green beans, it's 2 cans of green beans. But I'm going to mix all this together so it's all nice and melted and mixed together. So now I'm going to add in the green beans and mix it all, and then it'll be ready to go into the casserole dish. So I'm going to add all of the ground turkey and green beans to the casserole dish. I'm going to top this with some mozzarella cheese, and then I'm going to cook this in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. I just love casseroles. You can make them ahead of time earlier in the day and then just pop them in the oven when it's time for dinner to cook them through. So they're super easy. So now I have my mozzarella cheese, so just a sprinkle of cheese on top. Just makes it really yummy. I hope that you guys enjoyed these 2 keto casseroles. They are 2 of my favorites, so I hope that you guys really enjoyed them. Thanks so much for watching. Leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe. You'll get a notification each time I post a new video. Tons of healthy keto recipes, tons of meal prepping recipes. So I hope that you guys enjoy these. I hope that you subscribe, and I will see you all again next time. Bye-bye.